What's up, everyone? Alex here. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years now, grinding toward that partner push, and I know exactly how frustrating it is to stream to 0 viewers. Today, I'm giving you 35 rapid-fire hacks to grow your channel, starting right now. Hack 1. The Followers Panda Boost. Hack number 1 is for when you just need to get the ball rolling and build some initial social proof. You can use Followers Panda to buy Twitch viewers, give your channel an initial boost. Having a baseline of followers can make your channel look more established to new organic viewers dropping in. Hack 2. Pick a niche. Game. Hack 2. Stop playing oversaturated games like Fortnite or Warzone if you're small. Pick a game with a high follower count but low streamer count so you actually show up in the directory. Hack 3. The Golden Schedule. 3. Stream on a consistent schedule. Your viewers need to know exactly when to tune in, just like a TV show. Hack 4. Upgrade your audio. People will watch a 720p stream, but they will instantly leave if your mic sounds terrible. Invest in your audio before your camera. Hack 5. Lighting is everything. 5. You don't need a $1,000 camera. A cheap webcam looks incredible if you just put a decent ring light or key light in front of your face. Hack 6. Hide the viewer count. Turn off your viewer count. It messes with your mental state and ruins your energy if you see the number drop. Hack 7. Always be talking. 7. Stream as if you have 500 people watching, even if it's 0. When someone clicks your stream, they decide to stay in the first 10 seconds. Don't let them catch you staring at your monitor in silence. Hack 8. The TikTok funnel. 8. Twitch has terrible discoverability. You need to be posting your best clips to TikTok and YouTube Shorts daily to funnel people to your stream. Hack 9. Network laterally. 9. Network with streamers your own size. Stop dropping into 10,000 viewer streams hoping for a shout out. Make friends in the trenches. Hack 10. Never end without a raid. 10. Raid someone at the end of every single stream, even if you only have 1 viewer. It builds connections. Hack 11. Build a home base. Discord. 11. Create a Discord server. Your community needs a place to hang out when you are offline. Hack 12. Clickbait your titles tastefully. 12. Playing Valorant is a terrible stream title. Use something that creates curiosity, like trying the weirdest agent strat today. Hack 13. Channel points matter. 13. Set up unique channel point rewards. Let viewers force you to drop a weapon, do push-ups, or change the lighting. Keep them engaged. Hack 14. Don't call out lurkers. 14. If someone is in your viewer list but hasn't typed in chat, leave them alone. A lot of people just want to watch in the background. Hack 15. Optimize your tags. 15. Use accurate, highly searched stream tags so people filtering the directory can actually find you. Hack 16. Review your VODs. 16. Watch your own VODs. If you get bored watching yourself, your viewers are getting bored too. Fix the dead air. Hack 17. Community game nights. 17. Dedicate 1 stream a week to playing games directly with your viewers. Think Jackbox or custom lobbies. Hack 18. Clean up your layout. 18. Keep your stream layout clean. Nobody wants to look at a screen covered in 15 different widgets, goals, and borders. Gameplay and webcam, keep it simple. Hack 19. Set up alerts. 19. Make sure you have visual and audio alerts for follows and subs. People love the dopamine hit of seeing their name on screen. Hack 20. Leverage YouTube search. 20. Make YouTube tutorial videos in your niche. Searchable content lives forever and constantly brings new eyes to your Twitch channel. Hack 21. The About Me section. 21. Fill out your Twitch panels. Tell people who you are, what your schedule is, and what your PC specs are. Make it look professional. Hack 22. Custom emotes ASAP. 22. The second you hit affiliate, invest in high-quality custom emotes. It's the #1 reason people subscribe. Hack 23. Use a starting soon screen. 23. Use a starting soon screen for the first 5 to 10 minutes of your stream so your audience has time to gather before the action starts. Hack 24. Automate with bots. 24. Set up Nightbot or Stream Elements. Automate your social media links and have basic commands ready for your chat. Hack 25. Ask open-ended questions. 25. Ask chat questions that require more than a yes or no answer. Get them talking to you and to each other. Hack 26. Run polls and predictions. 26. Use Twitch's built-in polls and channel point predictions. Will I win this match? It forces engagement. Hack 27. Co-stream and collab. 27. Set up dual streams or collabs. You instantly share audiences with whoever you are playing with. Hack 28. Drink water and keep energy up. 28. Keep a massive bottle of water next to you. If your energy drops 3 hours into a stream, people will click away. Hack 29. Master Twitter/X29. Don't just post going live on Twitter. Post memes, takes on your main game, and engage with other creators. Hack 30. Be active in other chats. 30. Hang out in other streams as a genuine viewer. Don't self-promote, just make friends. The support usually comes back around. Hack 31. Capitalize on trends. 31. If a new game is blowing up and it fits your style, play it on day one to catch the wave of hype. Hack 32. Host charity streams. 32. Once you have a small core audience, run a charity stream. It brings your community together for a great cause. Hack 33. Use a catchy offline screen. 33. When you aren't live, your offline screen should clearly display your stream schedule and your social media handles. Hack 34. Welcome first-time chatters. 34. Make a massive deal out of first-time chatters. A warm welcome is the difference between a one-time viewer and a loyal regular. Hack 35. Be patient. 35. Stop obsessing over the numbers. Focus on making 1% improvements to your content every single day. Growth takes time. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more streaming advice, and I'll see you guys in the next video.